Let's take a look at this example. In order to make the long story short, we're supposed to use this formula for the derivative of a sum. How are we supposed to do that? Simply write dy over dx is equal the derivative of whatever it is. Okay, so this is 7x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. This is equal derivative of 7x cubed over dx plus the derivative of 3x squared over dx minus, you're supposed to copy this negative sign over here, derivative of 2x over dx and minus derivative of 5 over dx. So this is equal. Next we're supposed to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times a power of x. So we have 7 times 3 x 3 minus 1 plus 3 times 2 x 2 minus 1 minus 2 times 1. Please keep in mind, anytime you do not see any exponent, there is always invisible 1. That's why I wrote 1 over here. X, and I have 1 minus 1, and I have minus derivative of constant is equal 0. That's why this is equal 0. So let's take a look what I'm going to have. 7 times 3 is equal 21. X to the second power. 3 times 2 is equal 6. X. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? Minus 2 times 1 is 2. And I have x to power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. X to power 0 is equal 1, but you're supposed to write on the side that x is different than 0. So I'm going to write that this is 2 times 1, and I have minus 0, right? So what I have, 21x squared plus 6x minus 2. And this is the solution to my problem.